Hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about replacing the regulator knob on your wall-mounted panel. For older style regulators, you may notice that the new knobs look a little different. Same principle though, you set the pressure, pulling out, twisting it accordingly, and pushing it back in to lock it. If you're going to replace the knobs, all you're going to need is your new knob, and we'll provide you with a spanner wrench too. You'll notice that there are little grooves here on the sides. This will lock in so that we can easily twist or tighten. First thing you want to do is make sure that your pressure is off. So this is our main supply, CO2 gas supply. We're going to turn these off too. But if you left that open and you start to unscrew this, it could really pop out at you and it's going to bleed out a bunch of gas. So anything we can do to mitigate that kind of event is always a positive. So to remove the old knob, take your spanner wrench and line it up with one of the grooves in there. Just give it a good push. Unscrew it the rest of the way and remove it. Before you put your new regulator knob on, make sure you haven't lost this gasket here. All you got to do is line it up. Make sure it's nice and snug, put the hand tight, and then take your spanner wrench to tighten it the rest of the way. You'll kind of feel where it'll go about as far as it can. Then just turn your gas supply back on and adjust your pressures accordingly.